Good morning, children. Hope you all are doing well. And we are in the chapter number 3 of the history part. And you all are learning or moreover getting information about a very rich civilization. Okay. And that is Indus Valley civilization, which was along the Indus River. That's why it is also called Indus Valley civilization. Okay. In the last two modules, you have seen the town planning and the important features of some important cities or the towns of the Indus Valley civilization. Okay, you have also seen that how good is their governing ruling elite class was there, so that the city was crafted in such a beautiful manner. Now in today's module we will see about the social and the economic life of the Indus Valley civilization. And it was systematic and organized. Okay, the social and economic life of the Indus Valley civilization was very systematic, and in this video you will come to know about, or we will discuss about, the food, social dress, ornaments, household articles, religion, funeral customs of the Indus Valley civilization people. Okay, so we are going to focus on the social and the economical life of the people of this civilization. Okay, let's move ahead. Yeah, so mainly the people living in the Indus Valley civilization was engaged in the agriculture, livestock rearing. Livestock rearing means first to domesticate the animal को पहले domesticate करना, and then उस and also for the rearing means हम जो जानवर पालते हैं उसकी देखरेख करते हैं, that is called the livestock rearing. Then the trade and the silk industry. So these are the main economic activity of the people of Harappan civilization. They reared the animals like the cow, goat, buffaloes, bulls. They were engaged in internal as well as international trade. We have seen that they have an advanced port. They also produced the cotton and trade with the Mesopotamia and the Egypt. Okay, in the other than the agriculture of the grains, they were also growing the cotton, and they have a trading relations, or they were doing the trade with the Mesopotamia and the Egypt, which was a civilization in the another part of the world, or we can say it's a contemporary civilizations uh, with the Indus Valley civilization. Okay, this both the civilization was at the same time when there was an Indus Valley civilization. Other than all this, they were also involved in the pottery, metalworks, bead making, and sculptures. Okay, so they used their economic activity or the social life used to move around all these activity. Yeah. Life in the Harappan civilization. So mainly the Harappan people practiced the agriculture. What were their main occupation? Their main occupation was agriculture. You can see in this picture that the woman, man, all are engaged in the agricultural work. They, uh, they grew the wheat, barley, millet, peas, sesame, date, palm, etc. and use in their diet. Okay, वो ये बहुत सारी variety of foods grow करते थे, and all that foods are the part of their diet. Due to the cattle rearing, क्योंकि वो लोग cattle rearing भी करते थे, जानवर को पालना, that is called the cattle rearing. Their diet also consists of the milk and the milk products. Their food may also include the fish, as from the excavation there is an hook for fishing has been found from the remnant. So it also gives the evidence that they might be using fish also in their food. Now, the dress of both men and women consisted of the cloth, long length cloth for the lower part of the body, and also a garment at the upper part of the body. They wore the clothes similar to the धोती on their vest. जैसा धोती होता है वैसा वो लोग कुछ वेस्ट के नीचे से पहनते थे. And on the upper part they wrap a small cloth. और ऊपर का जो बॉडी का पार्ट है उस पर वो small cloth कुछ wrap up किया करते थे. So in this picture also you can see, okay, see, जो उनका वेस्ट होता है मीन्स कमर होता है उसके नीचे एक piece of cloth पहनते थे which is like a dhoti, and at the upper part also they used to wear a cloth like piece of cloth. Okay, they used the cotton clothes. They use the cotton cloth, and they were also familiar with the woolen cloth. Through the remnant of the metal needles and the ivory, we assume that they wore the stitched clothes and also unstitched clothes. Okay, जो excavation हुआ है उसमें से जो remnant मिले हैं, from that we get the metal needles, है ना, metal needles मिले हैं, and ivory is also there. So out of this evidence we can say that they may be stitching the cloth. वो cloth को stitch करके भी पहनते थे, और without stitched cloth also they used to wear. Other than clothes, the people of the Indus Valley civilization was also fond of the jewelry. Men and women both used the multi-strain necklace, rings, armlets, and the waistbands. Here you can see this is armlet. Okay, this is a ring, this is a necklace, and this is a waistband. तो इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन के जो पीपल थे वो मेल और फीमेल दोनों ही ज्वेलरी के बहुत ही शौकीन लोग होते थे. दे आर फॉन्ड ऑफ द ज्वेलरी. ओके, सो दे यूज्ड टू वियर डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ द ज्वेलरी, एंड देयर ज्वेलरीज वर मेड अप ऑफ गोल्ड, कॉपर, प्रीशियस स्टोन्स, shells, cowries, and even of the seeds. Okay, उनके जो ज्वेलरी होते थे उसमें कौन कौन सी चीजें होती थी? गोल्ड, कॉपर, प्रीशियस स्टोन्स, शेल्स जो हमको बीच पे मिलता है, दैट शेल्स आर यूज्ड. देन द कौड़ीज एंड सीड्स ऑल्सो, समटाइम दे यूज सीड्स ऑल्सो एज अ पार्ट ऑफ देयर ज्वेलरीज. इसलिए ज्वेलरी पहनने का जो क्रेज हमारे कंट्री में है वो आज से नहीं है. इट इज एन वेरी ओल्ड क्रेज. Okay, so the people in this subcontinent are crazy for the jewelry from a very long back. Yeah, now other than jewelry, as these people are very civilized and very much advanced people, so they are making utensils of the earthenware, means मिट्टी से बने हुए बर्तन होते थे. The vessels or utensils are also made up of the copper, bronze. They were using bronze intensively. That's why they are also, this civilization is also known as a bronze civilization. And their vessels includes the mug, bowl, pot, casserole, etc. Okay. They also made the special type of the toys for their children. See, these all are the toys. Okay, which are made up of earth. Okay, which are made up of the earthenwares. Okay, जो मिट्टी के खिलौने हैं, these all you can see there. So this evidence we all get after the excavation. In the excavation we also got this a statue. Okay, it is considered that this is a statue of a priest. Okay, having a beard and having a drape of a cloth along his body. See, this is this seems as a drap. Okay, so this is a statue which the people got in the excavation. So the people of the Indus Valley civilization, social life is also very much active. So these people are too artistic also. Okay, they were not only good as a manager, as a craftsman, as an engineer or a good town planner, but they were also an artistic people, and using earthenware, copper, bronze, other metals also for making the utensils, toys, statues. Now we will see about the religious life of the Harappan people. Through the excavation, we got the idols, postures, which gives us idea that the Harappan may worship the Mother Earth or Pashupatinath. See, this seal which we got from the excavation, this shows that the people of Indus Valley civilization also used to worship the Pashupatinath, that is Lord Shiva. Okay, this is also a seal which we got from there. This is quite evident that they may be also worshipping some animals. Okay, um, trees or swastik. People might have been now as for their what we say is a funeral. Okay, so the whatever the evidence we got out of the excavation, from this it is quite clear that the people of Harappan civilization may also use to bury the dead body, and they may also be burning it. I think from the evidence it is clear that they may be using both the process, because uh, the skeleton is also found, and even there are some evidence of the Agni Sanskar has also been found. So from the evidence it is clear that some part of the Harappan civilization may be used, may do the custom of burying the dead body, and some may be burning it. Okay, see, these all are the different seals which are found during the excavation. Okay, see, अगर आप लोगों ने मोहनजोदड़ो मूवी देखी होगी तो आपने देखा होगा कि वहाँ पे भी ये सील का यूज करते हैं मूवी में भी. So these all are the different seals. On the seals you can see something is written also, and there is an portrait of the animals. Okay, bull. Yes. The next is the script and the language. Okay, from the excavation we get lot of coins, seals, copper plates have been found from the remains, over which some text is transcribed. अभी आपने पिछले स्लाइड में भी देखा था कि जो भी सील्स और सब मिले थे उसमें कुछ लिखा हुआ है, some text is transcribed, but what is written in it, this language we don't know now. Now nobody can solve this mystery of the language. Okay, their language is yet an unresolved mystery for us, and that's why we don't know more about this civilization. Okay, that's why even though we got lots of evidence out of it, but still something is mysterious about this, and we are not clear about the things they are using. Okay, because this language is now we can't decode, we yet didn't decode the language of the Indus Valley civilization people, whatever they have transcribed on the seals, coins, okay, on the metals. So these all are the, see, these are the symbols, these are the coins they used for trading, and you can see these are the metal pieces on which they have transcribed their language. From when we see it, we can say that they may be using some symbols of the language, okay, to write something, but then also to tell something with the 100% surety is not possible because we didn't able to decode this language. Yeah, so we have seen the 5 main towns of the Indus Valley civilization. Now we will see first of all some more important small or the big cities which are the part of the Indus Valley civilization, but it is yet in the Gujarat. Okay, we have seen Dholavira, there is a Desalpur, there is a Surkotada, Nagwada, then here you have seen already Lothal, then Kuntasai, Rangpur, Rojri, Padri, Prabhaspatan, Nageshwar. So these all are the small and big cities of the Indus Valley civilization which are still in Gujarat. So these all are the location of the Indus Valley civilization. Yeah, other than this, if you have sometime visited Jamnagar by train, then you may have seen that a local train has a stoppage at the Lakha Bawal station. So that is also a part of Indus Valley civilization. Amra, Bhaktalava on the bank of river Kim in the Bharuch district, okay, was also the part of Indus Valley civilization. Now, as we have seen that this civilization was very rich, very much artistic people was there, they were involved in the economic activity, they have internal and international trades. But then we wonder that why such an intellectual people, such a rich civilization has been vanished. आखिर ये civilization खत्म कैसे हुआ? How this civilization end? Okay, so people have a different philosophy about this. Some used to say that there may be a flood, there may be an earthquake, there may be some pandemic, like today we are having the coronavirus. Okay, or there may be some external invasion, या तो किसी कोई बाहर के लोग ऐसे होंगे जो इनसे ज़्यादा पावरफुल होंगे and they may have invaded and people may have killed them. So there is no clear idea about how this civilization has been vanished or it has ended. Children, I hope you all have understood this part of the Indus Valley civilization, their social and economic life. Okay. Now, as we have started the chapter, I told you that हम हिस्ट्री इसलिए पढ़ते हैं ताकि हम देख सकें कि हम लोगों ने या हमारे पूर्वजों ने, एंसेस्टर्स ने कहाँ से शुरुआत की थी और आज हम कहाँ पहुँचे हैं. Okay, so actually we are learning the history to see the progress in the human mankind. Okay, जो human का जो जर्नी है उसमें हम कहाँ पहुँचे हैं. If you will see this civilization, sometime you will realize what sometime means. Whenever I have described you the things like a drainage system, port, their planning of the town, you may be thinking कि शायद वो हमसे ज़्यादा advanced थे. They were well planned. Okay, so this is what we learn out of history, you know. इसलिए हम हिस्ट्री पढ़ते हैं, so that whatever our ancestor, if they are doing something good, if they are more civilized than us, if they are more intellectual than us, if they are more better than us, then we should implement that thing. Okay, so we should do this. Okay, we should take lesson out of it कि हम भी अपने at least हमारी जो आज के जो सिस्टम्स में हम जो सुधार सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आज भी हमारे ड्रेनेज सिस्टम कैसे हैं, वी ऑल नो, है ना. गलियों में ड्रेनेज सिस्टम्स खुले होते हैं. सो एटलीस्ट वी कैन, जो हमारे नेबर्स हैं उनको भी हम कह सकते हैं, उनको प्रमोट कर सकते हैं दैट प्लीज एटलीस्ट पुट समथिंग ऑन दैट ड्रेनेज. ओके, सो दैट वहाँ से मॉस्किटोज and all that doesn't fly here and there and so that we can be more aware of the cleanliness. आजकल बारिश हुई, आप लोगों ने देखा होगा सब जगह पानी भरा. So make the people aware of this thing. Okay. Good day, children. I think you all enjoyed learning this. Okay. If there will be any query to you, you can contact me. As you all know, my WhatsApp number is already in the group. Okay. Bye bye to all of you.